Hi, this is Anna from justpaint.com. I'm going to show you how to use face painting stencils today. The essential part is getting your sponge a tiny bit wet. Just dip the tip and make sure that it's not dripping any water. Once you have your damp but not wet, not drippy sponge, you're going to load it onto your face paint cake. Only get the tiny tip of your sponge loaded with paint because you want to have control and not go over the edges of your stencil. Make sure that it's very creamy, almost dry, so that you're actually stippling the color on gradually. If you press it onto your hand and way too much paint comes out, go and load more paint to dry it off, or squeeze it over your cup to make sure there's not too much water in it. Now grab your stencil and position it on the face where you want to put it. Use your fingers to hold the stencil firmly in place and then gently tap over the open holes, filling it with face paint. All right, now I'm going to show you a second trick. We're going to add a second color, and this way you can add dimension with your stenciling. Go for that second color, load it up really, really well. Make sure that it's not too wet, that it's just dry enough for stippling. Check it on the back of your hand or on a paper towel. And once you've got the perfect consistency, grab your stencil and you're going to want to line it up again over the first design that you had, letting it overlap so that just a little bit of the yellow is covered by the stencil. Now you've got highlights and shadows. Ooh, she looks excited. This is a tap stencil that I'm going to use yellow and blue at the same time. If you put multiple colors all at once in your stencil, you also get a really cool gradient effect. This is perfect for a mermaid crown. Make sure to practice and you'll be wowing your clients in no time with your amazing stenciling skills.